story I'm gonna tell you about, it was about a special gift. So in this story is also from the same website, and it's also about a boy named Mosey. He really wanted to buy a special gift for his little brother, but he doesn't have any money. So now let's jump into the story. So Mosey and his mom just went shopping at a bookstore. And in that time, it's the first time they going outside with their new babies. And so Mosey has a new little baby, and his name was Philly. So that time, Mosey just go inside the bookshelf, go just looking around to see some books that was interesting, and he found a book that was very interesting. He go to the bookshelf, taking the book, and that book was talking about one of the beautiful islands, and that island has some blue and green ocean sea, was so beautiful. And then Mosey just loved it. He loves the book. So he just rushed and asked his mom, "Mom, can I buy this book for Philly?" And then his mom said, "How, do you have any money? How much do you have?" And then he just counted his money, and he only got $2. And the book cost around $17. That's expensive. Yeah. And then his mom said, "Oh no, bad. You cannot even buy anything now." And then he said, "But how do I even earn the money anyway?" And then his mom said, "Well, maybe you could help me around the house, and then I will pay you up back." Yeah. And so Mosey agreed. So they walked back home, and tomorrow was Monday. So on Monday, he dusted. He's cleaned the whole house. He dusted, and after that, on Tuesday, he do the laundry. And on Wednesday, he cleaning the front stairs. And the front door stair, which is mean this is a door. And for example, this is a door, and this is a stair leading to the house. No, I'm so sorry. This is This is a stair right here. This is the door. So they came and they climbing on here, and then they knocked the door. Yeah, that's called front door stairs or front stairs door. Never mind, never that one. But let's continue to our story. And so after he cleaned everything, he just earned $4 for 3 of those chores in 3 days. So he just earned $4 more, and he count. So guys, I have a math quiz for you guys. Just comment down. So first he got $2, and he just earned $4. So doing mathematics, comment down below how much did he got. And then he just on the next day was Thursday, and on Thursday he hoping to vacuuming and sweeping the floor and cleaning up the room. That's on Thursday. And on Friday he helped his mom cooking dinner. And then on Saturday he went back to the bookstore. And then he just arrived there, and he just looked in the shelf. And then he saw that the book is still there. No one bought it yet. And then he just grabbed the books, opened and read, and he saw the beautiful scenery of the island. So he just looked at it, and he imagined a story. And the story is about a little boy who lived in there, in the island, in the beautiful island. And then he think, I think I'm gonna make a story. Maybe there was a little boy who lived there. Maybe he's fishing. Maybe he built a sandcastle. So then he said, I'm gonna count my money then. He counts his money, and he doesn't got enough. But wait, do you remember about on Thursday and on Friday? He just earned $7 more. So now let's do another math. 2 plus 4. and then plus 7. You know that? Comment down below. And then after he counted his money, that he doesn't have enough money, so he's just kind of disappointed and he cannot buy the book. But anyway, he just opened the door and just walked back home. But during he's just going back home, he just realized something. I got an idea. I still got a special gift for Philly instead. So, does anyone know the special gift? Yeah, it's the story. Good job. Yeah, the story. The story that he made in the library or the bookstore or the bookshop. There's a lot of things you can call in that place because library, all of the library, in the library, it's just books and books and bookstore, books and books and books. But library you can read and borrow. I don't think you can buy. But anyway, let's continue our story again. And then when he arrived home, he take the little baby Billy and put it on his lap, and he's sitting on a comfortable chair. And then he just talked to Philly and said, "Hey Philly, I would like to tell you some very special gift, and it's my special story for you." And then he said, one day there was a little boy living in the island, and then little baby Philly liked it. He smiled, he giggles, and he listened the story to the end. And yeah, that's it for today videos and stories, and I hope you like it. Like again, like what I said, please help me to subscribe. Help me to subscribe. Sorry, mess up. Okay guys, that's it for today's story, and that's it for the video. And I hope you like these 2 stories, and also if you like me to tell anything or do something that you would like to watch in my channel, just comment down below. And please subscribe to me, please. It helps me a lot. And it's free. You can subscribe anytime you want. And please, when you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell so you can also have the notification every time I post new videos. And also please share my video to your families and friends, and anyone you love. You can send it to anyone. And also, yeah, and please, I consider to subscribe because it helps me a lot by just subscribe. Just only one click on the red button. You know, just only one red button. Just only one click. You're done. And that's gonna help me a lot. And thank you guys for watching that video. And yeah, goodbye guys. See you in the next video.